Welcome to the Get No Trading Telegram channel. In this video I would like to show you what kind of details inside the Telegram group you can expect if you join with the other traders. On the left side you can see currently the channel or the Telegram where I share the details with the chart and the comments, and also possibility when the breakout happens and what is the target. On the right side you can see a 1 hour time frame on the gold against US dollar, the chart with the support and the resistance levels, and you can see the trend lines on the 4 hour time frame, and this area around the support and the resistance is the supply and demand zones. There are no indicators, there is no expected values, there's no bots. This is simple technical analysis based on the support and the resistance and supply demand zones. It is a price action where I share the details with the traders during the day, what is the target, what are very critical levels, and when the breakout happens, where the price could go. On the left side, I would like to show you the details I'm sharing with the traders so you can see what kind of details you can expect. And I will show you the previous week, what has happened, what was the targets and have they been reached, how many of them were false, wrong, and how many was the successful, so you can also get an idea what you could expect inside the group with the traders. Remember, you have 7-day free trial to check that, and the progress that I will show you in this week is not predictable that it will be the same in the future. So the previous results cannot be statement for the future results, so this is something that you need to pay attention and have in your mind. Each week and each day is different, and there is a possibility that the market will not react based on the analysis. So let's start. I would like to show you when this was started. For example, here it was on the 29th of May. There was a false failed bearish breakout, which means there was information for the traders that it was expected that the price will continue to fall down if the price changes below 2356.22. This was on a 1 hour time frame, and this is the place where this candle was located. In this case, the price has closed below this level, but the price has continued to rise in value, reach this area which is 2361.81, and then reverse it back down. You can see that I have here said that after this candle, this one is the black candle that was expected that it will push the price down. The price did not go down, but it has moved up. This is the candle right here that you can see on the chart. So I have said the target has been reached. Now, sorry, this is the 1 hour time frame have a failed bearish breakout. The price did not move below 2356.22. This is the one, and reached 2350.49. The next target for the price is 2360.66. So when the price, this was here, you can see that when the bullish candle has been formed, this was information that the price has made the previous bearish breakout fail, and it has expected that the price will move in the opposite direction, and that means it was expected that the price will reach 2360. Let me check this one, 2360.66. This one, when the price has reached it, I have said that the price is expected to reach 2360.66, and in this case the price has reached it right there. So this was a second trade, which is a second analysis, and it has been correct. So the first one was failed, the second one was correct. Then after that, the target has been reached. Now the price needs to break above 2361, which means this one, in order to target 2364. This is on a 1 hour time frame. The same target is visible. This breakout above is very critical because we have a downtrend trend line that poses strong resistance. If the price makes a bullish breakout and reaches 2364, then the second target is 2366.33. Now you can see that the price did not make a breakout because of strong resistance, so the price did not make a breakout above, and this potentially target was not activated because the price did not make a bullish breakout above 2361.00. When I say the price did not reach, and that means the price candle should close the candle above or below that price. In this case, we had only a wick that has reached it and then returned back down. Now let's move forward. After that, the price is reversed. The price could not make a breakout above 2361, a critical resistance. This gives the information that the buyers do not have enough strength to move the price higher at the moment. 4-hour time frame is coming to close soon enough, and 2340.29 needs to hold. If the price goes below that, 2337.50 is the next target, and after that 2336. So 2340.29, let me check the chart. We can see that here 2340.29. We can see that here it was when the price was moving. This is the case. Then 2340.29 needs to hold. If the price goes below that, 2337.50 is the next target, and after that 2336. Then we can see the levels has been reached. This is all for today. I hope your trading was great. Now in this case, we can see after the price has gone below 2340.29, we can see that the price has reached an area 2337, and the next target will be 2336. 2336 was here. Here it is. Now you can see from here, if the price goes below 2340.29, the price will reach this area here, and this has happened. So the price has reached the target. So the third trade that has been explained here, it was reached. So we have 2 successful and 1 failed prediction. Then after that, we can see that we have resistance at 2340. This was the chart. We can see it here right now. 2329. This was right here where these 2 candles. Let's see again the image. We can see a bearish candle and a bullish candle. It was right here. So you can see there is a resistance at 2340.29. This was here, a pretty strong resistance on the 4-hour time frame. You can see this dotted line with the long dot, with the long line is the 4-hour time frame. A small dots are 1-hour time frame. So the support at 2329.13, and this is the one. We can see the full candle is the daily. So we have 4-hour time frame, we have a daily time frame, and inside between these two we have 1-hour time frame. So it was very great support here, or very great resistance here. Then it was said resistance is a 4-hour time frame, support is the daily support. I have just explained that. So the support will be harder to break on intraday case, so it will be very hard to make a breakout to the downside. Our resistance is lower time frame, but it is against the trend because we have a downtrend. We can see a trend line here. And then I am expecting to see the price moving around 2337 resistance and going down to 2329.13. So I was expecting that the price will return back up. Just remember that we have started from these 2 candles. 2337.05 was here. So the price has moved to the upper side, and then I am expecting that it will go down to 2329.13 support level, and this is what has happened. The price has reached this area and gone all the way to 2329.13. So this was the third successful trade. Then we can see, as of now, I can see resistance level needs to be broken. Candle should close above that resistance in order to move to 2337.05. So when the breakout has happened with this candle, the price continued to rise in value and reach this resistance. Then I had a little bit of access to the trades and also to the charts. I have explained to the traders so they can expect a little less details from the trading, from the charts. Then we can see today, I can see that the price trying to reach to 356.22. Let's see how this looks. We can see this is the candle, bearish candle. The price has gone from this area to the upper side. We can see how the price has created this uptrend channel, gone outside, and at 2346.53, and below that is 2340.29. And this is the case, this is the area when this has happened. The price was right here. We can see that the price is trying to reach 2356.22, and that is right here. It's trying to reach this resistance, which is a daily resistance line because it is a full candle. This is visible on the 4-hour time frame. For now, I am waiting a bullish breakout above 2346.53, and this is the one. I was waiting for the price that it will make a breakout from this area to the upper side, but we can see that the price was jumping all around until the breakout has happened. But if the price closes below 2337.05, the next target will be 2333.54. In this case, we can see that the price did not make a breakout below 2337, did not go below that, but the price has made a bullish breakout, which was expected here. I was waiting. Then the prices reached their breakout target 2349.56. We can see that, and if we go here, this was here, the price has reached 2356.22. For now, I'm moving out from the market. Why? So in this case, the fourth target has been reached. So in one day, we had one failed and 4 of these successful targets during the day on intraday analysis. So this is something I wanted to explain. And then after that, on a Friday, I am moving out from the market because the price reached the target, and today is a Friday where traders get out from their trades because of weekend. This move can cause the price moving against the analysis. So this means when the price has reached the target 2356.22, the price returned all the way down, and this was on a Friday when the price reacts sometimes against the analysis, because we can see a bullish breakout and it was expected that the price could continue to rise in value, but then when the price has reached this target, the price was all the way back down. Then it has reached 2337.05, and it has, after that, we can see what was expected. If the price goes below, the next target will be 2333.54. So 2333.54 is something around here. So we can see when the price has gone below 2337.05, the price continued to fall down even more. So if you would like to calculate this one as a potential target, then this would be a 5th trade that you could take, and the price will reach the profit target. So if we count this one, it would be 1 failed at the start and 5 of them successful. This would be 5 of 6, which would be pretty good risk to reward ratio during the day based on the number of trades. So this is something I wanted to show you what you can expect. This is the weekly analysis on a Saturday that is available on YouTube for everybody, but this is what inside the Telegram group you get the details about the trades visible here. You can see based on the 1-hour time frame support and resistance and 4-hour support and resistance, which is not available online for free for all traders, but it is only for the small group of traders which are serious, and it is not allowed to have spammers here which only shares something that is not related to the analysis. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me with the comments or send me an email or joining here for 7-day free trial, and then you can also ask me more details, because here you have a comments section where we can discuss what is your opinion about this, and if you have any details that you would like to comment. For example, here are also the details that traders are asking. Next time you can write take profit and stop loss. I have explained why I'm not putting these details, but I am putting only the take profit because everybody has its own analysis and support and resistance levels. Then you can see also other comments from the traders if they have anything to comment or they share. Most of the times the guys are, and also the traders, the girls are trading and leaving less comments, concentrating on the analysis I have provided. So this is all I wanted to show you inside this video, because I wanted to show you what kind of details you can expect inside the daily analysis on the gold. If there is any other symbols that the traders would like to have, for example, some of the traders express they would like to have US 30 Dow Jones to be analyzed, but currently it is not available, but only a gold. Maybe in the future, when more traders are interested to have more symbols, I will add them. So this is all for this video lesson, and see you inside the Telegram group. Happy trading!